It is time now for us to celebrate a few birthdays. We begin this fine day with Trey Fosdick in Jasper, turning 2 years old today. A very happy birthday to you, Trey.
And we have Axel Hines, who is also 2 years old, from Anderson, and his birthday was on Saturday, and his birthday shout out comes from his Mimi and Papa.
We've also got Frankie Stroud turning 13 years old in the grand city of Pittsburgh. A very happy birthday to you, Frankie.
And JJ Best, who is the big 19 years old from Chautauqua. Happy birthday, JJ.
We've also got Dustin Ashmore. Now, he celebrated his birthday on Friday, but because we're announcing it today, that means it's a multi-day birthday for Dustin as he turns 35 in Frontenac.
And we have Josh York, who is 37 from Weir, Kansas. Happy birthday, Josh.
And we've also got Diana Martin turning 39 years old in Carthage. A happy birthday to you today.
Matt Evans is 43 from Frontenac, Kansas. Happy birthday to Matt.
We've also got Michael Folstein turning 51 in Iola. Now, see, we've got a bit of an issue here. One of these is right, one of these is wrong. It's like the Price is Right. I've got 51, it says 59. Either way, he's celebrating a major birthday today, so get out there and celebrate whichever birthday you feel like, Michael.
51 sounds better to me. So,
I
Michael,
agree 100%.
We're going to go with 51 just for you. All right, and we have George Posnick, who is 70 years old from Weir, Kansas. He is pictured with his grandson, Braxton, and his family and friends wish him the happiest of birthdays. Happy birthday, George.
We've also got Melvin Huffman, also in Weir, turning 88 years old. Happy birthday to you, Melvin. And this comes with love from the family.
And we have Billy Hall, who is from Columbus. Billy, I am not sure how old you're turning, but happy birthday to you, Billy, and I hope it's a good one.
It doesn't matter how old Billy's turning, it's a party in the bus. We've also got Dave and Cindy Ashmore celebrating their 42nd wedding anniversary in Arma. A very happy anniversary to you.
And happy birthday to Ronald Charles, who is a morning show producer. Happy
He's
birthday,
our morning
Ronald.
show producer. He's not just any morning show producer. He's that guy. And he's sitting back there. If I knew that this thing would reach, I'd just go back there and talk to him about his birthday. But it does reach that far? Does not. Okay, I was just told it does not reach that far. But if it did, I'd go back there and we'd celebrate with Charles.
Well,
Ronald.
either way,
All
Ronald,
morning.
happy
Ron.
birthday. Happy birthday, Ron. Actually, you know what? We did have some cookies for his birthday, so happy birthday.
I haven't had one yet, but I've heard they're delicious.
Oh, they were amazing. They were great. All right.
There are some delicious cookies in the newsroom. Doug Heddy's here with us this morning, and he's now very curious about these cookies. There are some delicious cookies in the newsroom for this birthday.
That Corinza made, and they're wonderful. So.
And there he goes. He's after the cookies. Neva Qualls celebrating in Columbus. Like I said, party in the bus. A happy birthday to you, Neva. Bella's going to tell you where you can send your birthdays and anniversaries.